Morning, May. Have a great day. Good morning. One of the things that is incredibly important about our school is that we really pride ourselves on our community where everybody is known really well. Hi, Louisa. Hi, Marina. Hi, Charlie. Good morning. The lower school is just an incredibly magical place. I've always loved how kids can do pretty much anything here and really find out who they are. They have the opportunity to do so many different kinds of experiences in their classrooms and in their departmental classes, and our special experiences in the woods and on field trips, and our great community connections. And they get to do all of those things in our single-sex environments where they can have the opportunity to be leaders, readers, poets, scientists, mathematicians, be able to play in all different types of environments and different types of play, different types of connections.
There's just a natural energy and joy. The magic's infectious. You can hear the giggles and the laughter and the smiles, and it just carries on. You can see it in the buddy classes that we have. So older students joining their younger students to see what they're learning and showing that vested interest. There's nothing like it. You walk in and you feel it instantaneously.
We're using this frame of making to support students throughout their years. Teaching them how to create things with the structure of empathy for another person.
One of the really special things about SCH is what I like to call joyful rigor. It's a really challenging curriculum. We ask a lot of the students. We give them a lot of opportunities, but always through an avenue of joy.
The most special thing about SCH when it comes to the Wissahickon is just our proximity and our ability to get out of the classroom and be in the woods within moments.
I think we're one of the very best schools in the country. We offer so much, and we do it with love, care, and attention, and students love coming to school, and they just flourish under our care.